Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. I'm Anna, your English teacher. I'm so happy to see you here today.
Hi, Teacher Anna. I'm ready to learn.
That's great, John. And hi to all our learners out there. Today, we're going to learn something super useful. How to greet people in English. You'll use these greetings every single day. So, let's get started. Okay, John. Imagine it's morning. What do you say?
Good morning.
Perfect! You can also say morning. That's more casual.
Oh, like when I meet my friends. Morning, guys.
Exactly. That sounds great. After saying hello, we often ask, how are you?
How are you?
That's right. And you can answer, I'm good, thank you, or I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Awesome! You sound more confident already. When you talk to friends, you can use casual greetings like, hey, or hey there.
So I can say, hey, Anna, what's up?
Perfect. And I can say, not much, just teaching English.
Haha, nice.
Now let's learn how to say goodbye. You can say, see you later, or have a nice day.
See you later, Anna.
See you, John. Don't forget to practice your greetings. Great work today, everyone.
You did awesome.
Now it's your turn. Practice your greetings in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.
Let's speak up English.